Happy first birthday kay Rilo. Wish you all the best. Having you is a precious gift to us. I love you. I miss you. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday kay Rilo. Wish you all the best and hope to see you soon. We love you. Agsing-singpat ka.
Happy birthday sa iyo, Rilo Maboy. Wish ko lang sa iyo is sana maging malusog ka na bata hanggang paglaki mo at sana gabayan ka palagi ni Lord at ilayo ka sa mga sakit. Yun lang. Happy birthday! Yeah!
Hi Rilo, happy first birthday. I wish you a life full of happiness, good health, and a lot of love.
Happy birthday, Rilo! More birthdays to come na kong. Say
Happy birthday, Rilo. I love you.
Happy birthday, Rilo. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Rilo. Wishing you all the best. Kanakan, uray man. Marigriga tayo kwa. Basta napintas ti salong at kin panagbiag tayo. Okay, ajay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, Rilo. We love you.
I love you. JJ, Kin family. I love you. Peace out.
Happy first birthday kay Rilo Apong. We wish you good health. Stay happy and good boy always. Lolo Lola sending you love and kisses. We miss you. Happy christening and welcome to the Christian world.